Question number 13, that if 2/5 of a school playground is covered with grass and the remaining is covered with cement, what percentage of the playground is covered with cement? Solution. Let's understand the problem, that 2/5 of the school playground is covered with grass. So I'll write grass. The fraction that is covered with grass is 2/5 of it, while the remaining is covered with cement. Those covered with cement, we said, is equal to 1 minus 2/5, and 1 minus 2/5 is said to be 3/5. How did I get that? 2 out of 5 parts. What will be left is 3 out of 5 parts. Or you can say 1 minus 2/5, and that gives you 3/5. Now we are asked to find the percentage of the playground that is covered with cement. This is the fraction that is covered with cement. Now look for it in terms of percentage. So percentage of those covered with cement, we said, is equal to 3/5 times 100/1. So you simplify, this is equal to 300 divided by 5, and 5 into itself is 1, 5 into 30 is 6, into 0 is 0. So we have it that 60% of the playground is covered with cement. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand, while I recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take more exercises on application of percentages to real life situation.